Hello YouTubers, my name is Jennifer and I'm going to be doing the unboxing for NatureBox. This was the free trial box. It was $2 for shipping and that's free. And NatureBox is a box that you can get 5 full snacks. They're organic snacks. You can choose out of 100 plus different snacks. It's $19.95 except for the full-size boxes, and the best part is you get to choose. And and I will put the link down at the bottom so you can check them out. And okay, let's get into the box. This is a very fun box. Okay, they have, of course, the card, Welcome to NatureBox, and that tells you all about and where you can find them on the social sites. Okay, let's see. This one is, and this one I didn't get to choose. They just sent, I got one this size and the rest are this size. So this one is the Strawberry Greek Yogurt Pretzels. And this is 4 ounces. And this is a snack that kids love, pretzels and yogurt. So, very delicious. What I love about this size and this size snack is you can carry them, well, even when you get your full size, if you want to not carry the full size bag, you can put them in Ziploc bags, put them in the kids' lunch, or if you're traveling, or if you're on vacation, or say you're going to the mountains, or hiking anywhere. These are great snacks. Very good. This also tells about their mission. It has the snack time information, and it tells about their mission. Or NatureBox. This next one is Cranberry Melody. It is pomegranate and acai flavored and dried cranberries with blueberries. This is 1 ounce size. And let's see. Let me try this out for you. But this is a great box. And like I said, I love the fact that you can pick out your own snacks. That's a good thing about it. And there's everything from, I don't know if I get this over, everything from fruits to nuts to just crackers, different kinds of snacks. And this is, let me show you what these look like. Cranberries. Good. You can definitely taste the cranberry. And I'm not really sure what the full size bag that you get, what size, because the sample, in this sample box it had the 4 ounce, and then one bag was 4 ounces, and these bags are 1 ounces. This one is the Garden Tomato Crunchies. And almonds. Tomato flavored almonds. Those delicious. So, the next one is the Parmesan Garlic Pop Pops. Parmesan Garlic Popcorn Kernels. Okay. See what these look like. Okay. You see? Definitely taste the garlic. Very good. You can really, garlic is strong. And Parmesan, I'll probably get definitely that one again. This is the jalapeno cashews, jalapeno flavored cashews, and it comes this size. It immediately tastes the jalapeno. If you like spicy. So, this is the Nature Box. I would definitely check them out if you love healthy snacks, and they're very easy to, you know, put in the kids' lunch, or if you're out traveling or doing outdoor activities. And I'll put the link down. You can get your free trial. It only costs $2 for shipping, and then you can pick out if you decide to continue. Then it's $19.95 for 5 full-size bags, and I'm pretty sure, like I said, I forgot to check out to see how many ounces, but it's bigger than this, I know. But definitely check them out. Bye. Have a great day.